In this exercise we have to evaluate the value of these expressions. So in the first one we have -2 within brackets index 2, and this means that it's everything within the bracket times itself 2 times. Okay, so this means -2 times -2, and multiplication when we have minus and minus becomes plus. So this is going to be +4. We just write 4. The second one is going to be everything within the brackets -2 times itself 4 times, because the index is 4. -2 times -2 times -2 times -2. We know that -2 times -2 is 4, so this is 4 and this is 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, plus 16. This one, same thing, -2 times -2 times -2 times -2 times -2, 5 times. So in the last one we know that this is 16, and we have the same thing here. So it's this yellow area, everything here is 16, and then times -2. So we have 16 times -2 is going to be -32. The next one is a little trickier, but first we always do the powers first, and this means everything within the bracket times itself 2 times, and then we have this extra minus sign. It's the same thing as A, but with a minus in front of it. So in A we know that this part is 4, so it's going to be -4, because this minus sign, this minus sign is this one, and the result of all this was 4. Then we have the minus in front of it. In this one we're gonna have all this -2 index 3, and we know that this is -2 times -2 times -2 is -8. So let's do it one step at a time. -8, but we have this minus sign as well, so it's going to be minus and then -8. Minus minus is plus, so it's going to be +8. Here the power or the index is inside the bracket, so then it only counts for the 2, not -2. So this is 2 index 3, and then we have to use the minus sign and the minus sign. So first we do 2 index 3, and we know that that is 8. Then we have this one, this minus sign, and then this minus sign. So it's going to be -8. That's 8.